EBP supplements and ergogenic aids in baseball. Random facts about baseball. The game of baseball began in the late 1700s to early 1800s. It started gaining a lot of popularity, especially during the Civil War and World War I. The rules changed as the game evolved and more people joined. It shortly became a professional sport and blew up. During the late 1900s and early 2000s, a baseball steroid era began in which athletes were taking supplements and ergogenic aids in order to enhance their performance in professional baseball. A couple years passed and people began to realize that many of the athletes were on these drug-enhancing supplements and, in place, put into effect a ban on many performance-enhancing drugs and ergogenic aids. The ban list grew and grew as the years came by, and now is very limited to what you can and can't consume, especially in the NCAA. Dietary supplements to enhance athletic performance can come in a different variety of forms and can either be tablets, capsules, liquid form, powders, and bars. Among the more common ingredients in these supplements are amino acids, protein, creatine, and caffeine. Most of them are on a ban list, and only a few are legal to use. More than 100 countries outside of the United States are part of the International Baseball Federation. The last random fact I will give you is that baseball bats in the minor and major leagues are all made from wood, while college bats are made out of metal. Nutritional strategies to improve metabolic physiological efficiency. For an individual to physically perform at his or her best, a nutritionally adequate diet and sufficient hydration are essential. Athletes require adequate daily amounts of calories, fluids, vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates to maintain blood glucose levels and replenish muscle glycogen. If an athlete is 1% dehydrated, their athletic performance will decrease by 10%, so hydration is key. A well-balanced meal, including all the food groups, will allow the athlete's body to have all the necessary nutrients and therefore allow for better athletic performance. A few dietary supplements may enhance performance only when added to, but not substitute, the specific dietary foundation. Even with proper nutritional preparation, the results of taking a supplement or ergogenic aid to improve athletic performance vary by level of training, nature, intensity, and duration of the activity, along with environmental conditions. Legal dietary supplements and NCAA to enhance performance. Some legal supplements that can help enhance performance in baseball are whey protein, whether isolate or casein, glucosamine, which is an amino acid that can aid in recovery, creatine, which the body uses to generate energy and delay the onset of lactate produced by the body and increase protein synthesis, multivitamins, glutamine, which helps muscle growth and athletic performance, and supergreens, which are high-quality foods that have a high phytonutrient content and can help improve overall health of the athlete and in turn increase their athletic performance. Banned supplements and ergogenic aids. Some banned substances in the NCAA include any type of stimulant, anabolic agents, alcohol and beta blockers, diuretics, etc. Some examples of these are testosterone, human growth hormone, otherwise known as HGH, THC or any derivative of marijuana, cocaine, ecstasy, any opiate including oxycodone, heroin, codeine, or morphine, and caffeine. There are some exceptions that can be made if the athlete is injured or has a specific need for one of these banned supplements or ergogenic aids. Why take supplements or ergogenic aids? The purpose of taking supplements is to directly influence the physiological capacity of a particular body system, therefore improving athletic performance and/or capacity. The length of these supplements will vary depending on what the athlete is consuming, but will generally last anywhere from 2 to 8 hours after consuming it. The desired effect these supplements produce in the athlete is increased muscle mass or lean body weight, while decreasing their total fat percentage. The biggest desired effect is an increase in overall athletic performance. These supplements can have various side effects, especially if not consumed correctly. For example, if the athlete is not well hydrated and consumes protein, they can possibly develop kidney stones from the extra protein their body is consuming. Some athletes, whether male or female, can develop eating disorders if they are not receiving the proper nutrition their body needs. This in return will decrease their athletic performance. Knowing how to utilize these supplements and using them correctly can have beneficial and positive outcomes, so just make sure to inform yourself on how to properly take these supplements.